Having previously looked at how to go about choosing the best shower tray for your bathroom, we're now turning our attention to shower heads. Another key component of the shower head you choose can really enhance your experience, so it's good to be aware of what's out there before making your decision. For instance, if you want a fully immersive experience akin to something you'd find in a spa, then rainfall shower heads are ideal. With a large spray surface area, these are usually fixed or mounted overhead to ensure maximum impact and can make it feel as if you're standing under a gentle rainfall. Meanwhile, if you like to feel energized in the mornings, then a power shower could be the one for you, as these are designed to increase water pressure for a more invigorating shower. They're also ideal for homes with low pressure water systems, so are a good all-round choice. As well as the water flow, you can also choose how you want your shower kit to be fitted. For example, a fixed shower head overhead, as seen with the Alicia Ritchie Curve Plus thermostatic rain shower with diverter. These are just some ideas for your shower, so if you'd like a few more tips about choosing the best shower head for your bathroom, then visit our blog over at bathshack.com. It's always the first link in the description bar. Subscribe to Bathshack here on YouTube for more bathroom advice and inspiration, and like this video. Shop luxury for less at bathshack.com.